Attention, Vail Valley homeowners. Are you looking for automated shades and lighting? Dreamedia is now your official go-to provider for the industry-leading brands such as Lutron and Screen Innovation, Control4, URC, Josh.AI. Whether it's lighting and shade control all the way through full-blown smart home integration, every single element of your home, whether that's whole house audio, dedicated home theater, or even just getting a killer Wi-Fi system put in. Our team of experts have you covered here in the Vail Valley region, all the way Avon, Edwards, all the way out to Eagle, and in many other territories here in the Rocky Mountains. Our specialists are on standby, waiting to answer all of your questions and help create a free system design for your home. Keep in mind, we do have our Dreamedia Plus program that is designed for whole home systems. We do the heavy lifting for you guys from the design phase through the management, installation, design, servicing the system after the fact. Every single element, our team of specialists will come in delivering 5-star service and white glove treatment from start to finish. Whether you're a retrofit situation, older home where you're maybe doing a remodel, get us in as early as possible. Planning in the design stage is the most important aspect, guys. Or say you're building your dream home. We're working with Vail Custom Builders, Pinnacle Mountain Homes, all these really luxury home builders to really educate this territory on industry-leading standards for 2024. Here at Dreamedia, we pride ourselves on staying on the forefront of technology, ensuring that you get the absolute best possible experience. We're committed to raising the bar here in Colorado, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you guys like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.